Hi, I'm Pam, and today we're talking about fashion's dirty little secret and how we at Gentry Home are fixing it. Picture this. You design the perfect t-shirt, you manufacture 10,000 of them, you sell 6,000. Congratulations! But wait, what happens to the other 4,000? Well, spoiler alert, they're probably on fire right now. Literally. Welcome to the absurd, wasteful world of traditional fashion manufacturing. Today we're talking trash. Did you know that every year the fashion industry produces 92 million tons of textile waste? Think about that. 92 million tons is equal to the weight of 368 Empire State Buildings, and it's made entirely of yoga pants and graphic tees. And it gets even worse. 30% of all clothing produced is never sold. Not because it's ugly, though let's be honest, some of it is, but because brands play this fun game called let's make way too much stuff and hope for the best. Traditional marketing works like this. Produce in bulk to save money, then cross your fingers and hope people actually want to buy what you produced. Brands routinely overproduce by 40%, just to make sure they don't run out of hot items. And what happens when that 40% doesn't sell? Into the incinerator it goes, or maybe into the landfill, or if they're feeling generous and want a tax write-off, into a third world country's donation pile. And what about the water, energy, and materials that were used to manufacture all those products? Well, those were completely wasted. It's like baking 100 cookies when you only need 60. Then setting the extras on fire because you don't have room in your pantry to store them. And sadly, there's even more environmental damage. Traditional bulk manufacturing creates a supply chain longer than your CVS receipt. And really, why is that receipt so long? Ready for this? The factory produces the product and ships it to a warehouse. The warehouse stores the product in a climate-controlled, fully lit and staffed 24/7 environment. Then the product is shipped to a distribution center where it is further distributed to a retail store or fulfillment center. And then finally, the product is sold and maybe even shipped to you. And if you return the purchase, well then, add another leg onto its journey. And what if the item never sells at all? Well then, it becomes part of that textile waste. This model isn't just wasteful, it's a carbon footprint catastrophe. All those warehouses, they run constantly, burning energy to store products no one has ever even ordered yet. Here at Gentry Home, we believe it's time for a new model of manufacturing. It's time for print on demand, or POD for short. The concept is so simple, it's genius. We only produce a product when someone actually wants it. Revolutionary, right? And here's how it works. You order, we print, we ship. That's it. So easy. No warehouse full of maybe someone will buy this someday products. No overproduction, no unsold inventory sitting in a storage facility in New Jersey. Zero, zilch, nada, waste. At Gentry Home, every single item is produced after you order it. We're not sitting on a mountain of inventory hoping we guessed correctly what you, the buyer, would like. We're creating exactly what you want, when you want it, using eco-friendly links on organic cotton and sustainable blends. Now let's talk numbers, because they're kind of incredible. Print on demand slashes carbon emissions by 30 to 40%. Compared to traditional manufacturing. How does it do this? The answer is simple, a shorter supply chain. No warehouses humming along 24/7, no multiple shipping stages, no destroying unsold products. And what about water usage? Traditional screen printing and dyeing use massive water baths. POD's direct-to-garment printing uses precise ink application with minimal waste. No giant vats of chemical dye, no industrial equipment cleaning. And what about energy consumption? POD equipment runs only when needed. It requires smaller facilities, uses less lighting and less climate control. It's the difference between leaving every light in your house on forever versus flipping the switch only when you enter a room. Shocking concept, we know. But not all POD is created equal. Some companies use POD as an excuse to use cheap quality and questionable practices. Here at Gentry Home, we do it right. We exclusively use water-based, eco-friendly inks, no toxic man-made chemicals that are known to interfere with human systems, no heavy metals, and no harsh chemical solvents. When available, we use only GOTS certified inks that meet strict environmental standards. Our production partners are vetted for fair labor practices, safe working conditions, and fair living wages. No sweatshops for us. And what about the quality? Well, our prints don't crack, fade, or peel after 3 washes, like that concert tee from 2009. We use premium organic cotton and sustainable blends designed to last 5 to 10 years, not 1 season. Because sustainability isn't just about how something is made, it's about how long it lasts. A product that lives for a decade has virtually 0 environmental impact per wear. Now that's a real victory. And here's a bonus: customization. When you personalize a product with your family name, a meaningful date, or a design that actually reflects your values, something magical happens. You keep it. You don't throw away something that's uniquely yours. This isn't just about feeling warm and fuzzy. It's about emotional connection and durability. Fast fashion thrives on disposability. We thrive on legacy. On Gentry Home, we want you to create something so meaningful you'll wear it for years and maybe even pass it down. So please visit us at gentryhome.com. That's GENTREE home.com to explore our collection of custom print-on-demand apparel. Create something that's uniquely yours, built to last, and kind to the planet. And if you have any questions, as always, we're an open book. Email us at connect@gentryglobal.com. And remember, like, subscribe, and follow us on YouTube at Grand Connections for more sustainable living insights that actually make a difference. Have a great day.